Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Upasna Yadav and I hope you all are doing great. And this is the day 14 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. And as you all know, I am here to practice my English, and that's why I am making this video. And like I came here for our evening walk. It is evening right now, and except me, no one is here. No one is here right now. Just like, yeah, I am walking here. And tomorrow is my exam. I have four exams. My first exam is of geography and English and math and the I am forgetting my exam of mm, computer. So I haven't prepared anything yet for the exam because I will uh, I will like prepare for exam at night. And like, why couldn't I practice my English speaking? Because like my sister's friend, and she was from Sambal, like she came here, just visited my place, my house today. So she stayed here for I think 2 or 3 hours with her father. That's why I couldn't practice, like I couldn't prepare for my exams, and I'm just walking here, just in a very small area. And like right now, some people in front of me, they are just feeding their cows and buffaloes, just feeding fodder. So that's why I have just stood here, because sometimes I feel anxiety. Like I feel not, I don't know what is the meaning of anxiety, and I just spoke this word without thinking about this. Actually, like when someone is in front of me, I like I can't record myself. Not always, but sometimes. And if someone who is like what can I say, who is like near to me, and there are so many people near to me, I can say, but still I am recording to overcome the fear of speaking. Because if I just keep keep thinking about that what they will think about me, they will judge me, so I can never start speaking. And right now, so many people like my uncles, my neighbors, they are just walking here and there, like doing their work, and here I am just recording myself and improving my English. And like when I came here, no one was here, no one was doing anything here, no one was, I am the only one, like I could see near me, no one was here. But right now there are so many people. I'm not going to show you guys, but there are so many people, and sometimes they are also looking at me. Okay, so I am not going to like stop recording me. I am constantly, I am just continuously recording it. And yes, so I was telling you that why, how couldn't I prepare for my exam. So I have already told you. So okay, like I am speaking English, and I make mistakes, but I speak because consistency is the key to success. And I want to be success. I want to be fluent in English by the end of this year. So that's why I practice every day speaking, and I also record my English speaking. And something I want to tell you about my stubborn sister. So as I was telling you about my stubborn sister, actually I thought to record like my next video of this, what I am recording today. If she like agreed with me, I won't record, like I won't record for my 40 days English speaking challenge, like 40 day like this. We would like make a video about like just a conversation, but she is very stubborn. When I told her that hey, let's make a video today on English speaking, like conversation in English, so she agreed with me. Then after some time, when it came to recording, She just like she refused to make a video with me. She's very stubborn. And then she said, yesterday she said that let's record it tomorrow. Then today when I asked her, she was like when I asked her in the morning, she was like, yeah, let's record today. But like she said, why herself? I didn't ask her. I didn't ask her even. But still she said, let's record us today. But then before I think 1 hour I asked her to make a video like have a conversation, then she refused again. So yes, this was about my stubborn sister. And right now guys, so many people came, they are doing their work. So okay, that's all for today. And if you like this video, if you also want to practice your English guys, so you can also record yourself like me. And guys, please subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like the video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.